Meanwhile, with the aim of increasing volunteerism through sports, the National Association of Volunteers in Sports, NAVS-JA, was launched in Kingston on Tuesday. Christopher Scott tells us more.
Sports has been an embodiment of Jamaica's culture, and with the involvement of many different persons within sports, more help is needed to assist with the smooth running of events and to ensure that meets or matches go off without any glitches. In steps the National Association of Volunteers in Sports. Speaking at the launch of NAVS-JA on Tuesday, President Alison Watson says it is more than just creating an organization.
What's important is to provide a space, a network that's going to offer training and structure so that those persons who want to serve can have the opportunity to show up in the sports that they're passionate about and with the skill set that they are very competent, the skills that they're competent in, so that they can show up, show off, and make Jamaica look really, really good as a sporting nation. That's what it's about.
They will also get some help.
Now, the great thing about the position that we are in is that we are being very strongly supported by the JOA. The JOA is where we got training. That's how we ended up here, through the Advanced Sports Management course. So the training support will come from the JOA. The organizational structure and support will come from us and from all those persons. You heard them in the room today. Lots of corporate sponsorships, lots of federation support. That's where our structure is going to come from.
Christopher Samuda is the president of the Jamaica Olympic Association.
The advent of this association is part of professionalizing the delivery of sport. Volunteers are exceptional. They make the games, they build relationships in sport, and therefore I'm absolutely pleased to be a part of this launch. This is something that we have said in Jamaica must be. The volunteers are not just simply adjuncts of games. What they will be engaged in is tutorship, professional tutorship. They'll be mentoring people, and they will also be socially upskilling persons. So this is
NAVS-JA are hoping to gain 100 volunteers within their first year. Christopher Scott, TVJ Sports.